I have a Subaru Ascent here. This one got wiped out down the side. It's getting 2 new doors, a new fender, and then you can see the quarter panel is completely demolished.
Oh no! Wow!
So this one's going to be getting a new quarter panel, which I have right here, and they have a way to section this in the dogleg area right here, and then through the window opening. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a quick pull on this area just to roughly get it out before I start cutting this panel off. The reason for that is the wheelhouse in here is folded up a little bit, and I just want to roughly bring it out before I cut this panel off. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Panther Pro and their complete fit glass system. Many of you can absolutely lift a windshield out all by yourself. You could even sit one all by yourself. However, this is destroying your shoulders and back. Not to mention the risk of possibly nicking the paint on either side of the windshield or on the hood or the roof. Anything's possible. I've seen it happen before. Whenever you're trying to sit a windshield all by yourself, it's very, very awkward. My friends at Panther Pro made this process very simple. You just drive over the base, set up the arm, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. Very, very simple. You have a controller to control the speed, the up and down speed, and you could easily, slowly lift a windshield out or sit the new one back in all by yourself. Stop distracting your other employees. Stop destroying your shoulders and back. Go to pantherpro.com and get yours ordered today. So I have this quarter panel roughly sitting on there, and it's overlapping the existing part on the car by about 1 inch or so. I'm gonna scribe this. all 3 of the seams. Then I'll lift this panel back off and I'll trim that back, and that'll give me a perfect seam. So I have this one all fit together, and I have my rear door gap nice and flush and even, as well as the tail light fits nice, and the gaps at the liftgate to quarter panel look nice. I'm going to go ahead and pull these parts back off, and I'm going to get this quarter panel welded on. So I just noticed this one had kind of a sucked in spot right here. I don't remember seeing that until just a few minutes ago, so I don't know if it happened from welding or if it was already like that. It was minor, so I could have missed it. But I'm gonna take this glaze coat down into that area to make sure I get that spot fixed as well. I have some epoxy primer that I mixed up right here, and I'm putting this down where the window urethane goes. Then I'll let this dry for a little bit, and this one will be ready for our paint department to prep it out and get it painted.